everyone, and welcome to my homework. It's a cousin Eddie. He's a waiter, he's single, and he likes rock music. It's my brother Eddie. He's a doctor. He's got a wife and 2 kids, and he likes classical music. How about this one? I don't know. A cousin? No. The brother? No. An uncle? It's my aunt Judy. Sorry, Miss Morris. He looks like your uncle. Tell me something about her. She's an architect, artist, married, divorced, 2 kids, 3 kids, 4 kids, 5 kids, no kids. Thank you for watching for me. Bye bye.